Welcome to the Capital Kempinski Hotel, Singapore's premier address of timeless heritage. I am the lady in red. Let's go for a walk. Our hotel was opened in 2018, but our premises are already more than a century old. You can find us in the heart of Singapore's civic and cultural district.
The hotel is housed in two historic buildings, the neoclassical-style Capitol Building and Venetian Renaissance-style Stamford House. We are proof of this union. Years of meticulous restoration and renovation were spent to bring out the best of a timeless heritage. In fact, you could still see elements of these styles today, from travertine limestone columns, piano rosewood lacquer finishes, Italian marble floors of Venetian design, to embossed wallpaper and original Chinga wood flooring of Art Deco origin. Check out this balustrade that was inherited from the original building, which adds an elegant charm to the classic hallway. Of course, some updates had to be made too, like this signature restaurant, 15 Stamford by Alvin Leong, that used to have an escalator connecting to upper levels. The open space now has a noise cancellation and retractable stained glass ceiling that opens in the day for an abundance of natural lighting and closes in the evening. In short, the architecture here is a restoration masterpiece that stays true to the building's rich history with a modern touch, and infusing them with Kempinski's signature bespoke hospitality.
We know that good times fly. A staycation can be all over in the blink of an eye, which is why we present you the Kempinski Experience for the full indulgence of your stay.
Upon arrival, have a look out for the lady in red, the hotel's signature brand ambassador. She is the epitome of timeless European elegance. There are 155 rooms and suites with almost 50 unique configurations. Each room boasts stunning architectural details, from high cornice ceilings, dramatic archways, to grand windows with breathtaking views.
You may be surprised to find interesting parts of the rooms that are accidentally Wes Anderson or intentionally Merlion.
The hotel also offers other facilities for various events and an enjoyable stay, such as this saltwater relaxation pool, a fitness center, a luxury spa, a lobby lounge, and this theater-style pitched ceiling atelier.
You could host a wedding, a private ball, or even an art exhibition. The quest for exquisite culinary treasures is our perennial pursuit. Let's go on a gastronomic adventure.
The selection of cuisines in the hotel centers around high-quality products, creative techniques, and an exceptional selection of wines and spirits, reflecting the brand's origin as a wine merchant in the 19th century. The hotel celebrates Singapore's rich culture and blends local elements with colonial charm in its fine curated art collection. From paintings, porcelain, colonial silverware, to photography, come experience art in every corner.
At the Capital Kempinski Hotel, we welcome you to our elaborate establishment and hope you had a great Kempinski experience. Your great adventure could begin with a holiday.